So we finished making the spindles and we have them in. We've capped them off with 2 layers of 1-inch pine, 2.5 inches wide, which was about the width of the spindles. And it turns out that's what worked really good on the other side. So it should work here too. And then we put a top piece on that goes on here and up. And then we build out the inside. So it ends up to be about a 6 by 10 up there, built together in pieces, one at a time. And we've did a lot of caulking on the spindles, repaired a bunch of them, made a bunch, and you can see they're all pretty much down in a line now. And you can, try to shake this, but it really doesn't move. It's very solid. But now we have a little area up here which experienced more water damage. So before we start capping the edge in, we need to fix the roof here. The ceiling, I should say. The ceiling. The roof is fine now. But when the roof went, you can see all this was replaced. And we did that about 3 years ago. So the roof was intact and everything could dry. So now we have to repair this ceiling. I'm cutting out a piece here, a square. And then we're going to replace that, screw everything up. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it move or not. But it's all loose. So we'll screw it back up, screw the corner in. And then we're ready to start making our facer piece here for the inside. And then we'll start building it out from the outside on the lift.